Welcome back to the channel. You join me just as I'm riding through Cheddar, which can only mean one thing: we're heading for Cheddar Gorge for our ride today. This is where the Mendip Hills come down onto the Somerset levels, and there's a big gorge that's been carved out over thousands and thousands of years. So Cheddar itself that we're riding through now is quite a nice little village. And join me again as we start our ascent up. We're going to go all the way up to the top, hopefully turn round and then come back down, just because it's there. Okay then, here we go. This is the touristy bit right down the bottom. So here we go on the descent, on the ascent now. Oh, it's a bit difficult with traffic. There are a couple of what they call the show caves here. So if you want to spend a day, it's well worth it. I'm afraid I haven't looked up the prices or anything like that, but there's lots of tea rooms and all that kind of thing, and lots of merchandising. There's even an information centre. But now we're entering the gorge proper. You can see the gorge is exceptionally steeply cut through. As I said earlier, this is where the Mendip Hills meets the Somerset levels. We might be able to ride a bit now. compared to the ride we did on the Black Mountain Pass, we've got a far better road surface, which gives you far more confidence. Appears to be a 30 limit all the way up, which is probably for the better. There does appear to be a few loose chippings on the road, so got to keep an eye out for those. Looks like we're now exiting the gorge proper and going into a more wooded area. I know this, and of course, what goes up must come down. I get a feeling if you want to ride this slightly aggressive but stop within the limits, then you need to pick your moment to make sure there's no traffic in front of you. But that's not my style. I like it nice and relaxed. Goaties. Are there any more? Back into the gorge proper again now. nice and twisty. So that completes it, all the way up and all the way down. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, share and subscribe, and see you on the next ride out. Goodbye.